Good evening, everyone, and warm welcome to WhiteCane Academy YouTube channel. WhiteCane Academy, inclusive learning for a brighter tomorrow. Hi, guys, my name is Ratul, and I'm your host and the founder of WhiteCane Academy. Guys, you might confused till yesterday. This channel was V.I Tech Academy, but suddenly, this channel name is changed to WhiteCane Academy. Why? What's the reason behind it? Yes, I will tell you the reason why we made this change and what is our aim behind changing this name. But before everything, I would like to congratulate you and I would like to give you a big thank because with your true support, with your blessings, now today we are celebrating 8 years of journey. Yes, our journey completing 8 years. We have started a small YouTube channel, but now today we are a growing community of 4,000 plus family members, and this is just because of you guys. This is really just because of you, your support and your blessings, and I'm really happy to see your blessings, and I'm really happy to help you through this channel, and I'm really impressed by seeing your support, and I wish you everyone that we can grow together like we did till now, and we will grow together and your support will still continue with us. Now, without further delay, I don't want to waste your time. We will see why we changed the name of V.I Tech Academy to WhiteCane Academy and what's the history of our journey. So, without further delay, let's jump into the presentation.
Welcome to WhiteCane Academy, inclusive learning for a brighter tomorrow.
Welcome again to WhiteCane Academy, and this is the new logo which represents a blue magnifying glass, and the text WhiteCane Academy is written on it in yellow color. WhiteCane Academy, inclusive learning for a brighter tomorrow. Let me tell you what is this WhiteCane Academy. WhiteCane Academy is an online skill development training institutions for visually impaired individuals. Yes, we offer trainings to the visually impaired individuals through our online academy. Our aim is to make learning more accessible and inclusive for everyone. In next 4-5 minutes, I will take you through the journey of WhiteCane Academy and its mission. Our journey from a YouTube channel to a growing online academy. The year was 2017 and the date was November 16. Yes, today in 2017, we have started our YouTube channel in Bengali. As we are from Kolkata, we are based in Kolkata. Our first tutorial was about Gmail, and the channel name was Accessible Computing on that time. If you are an existing viewer, you already knew about this. If you, please let us know into the comment section. If I want to tell you the story, on that time I joined many groups, and there I solved problems of others, especially on Android and computers. But I thought that those solutions are not permanent. So I thought that I have to create something where I can keep the solutions permanent so that people can come and access. With this, I have started the YouTube channel named Accessible Computing in 2007. There we created videos, we uploaded videos, and our channel has started growing. in 2020 when the world was shut down. I think you remember. That year, we achieved the first milestone of YouTube, which was 1000 subscribers. And most of the subscribers are visually impaired like me. That is a very big achievement for a blind YouTuber. In 2021, after a successful community in Bengali, we wanted to expand our services, our offerings to the global people. That's why we have started creating the content in English, and we also received responses from various parts of India and gradually international from other countries. In 2023, we have first launched our own online course, which was Computer Literacy Expert, and we are still continuing this course. With this course, our online academy was started. In 2024, when we were planning to establish and register our organization, there are some legal issues with the name of Accessible Computing. So we have established with the name of V.I Tech Academy. But I personally do not like this name because I don't want the word visually impaired. I don't want this word. I want to remove this visually impaired word from the name of our. That's why in 2025, in this year, we have rebranded our organization to WhiteCane Academy. And not only this, we are also gonna offer skills development beyond technology. Till now, till yesterday, we can only offer skills or educations on technology because our centers were registered as a computer center. But now it is registered as a skill development training center where you can learn anything you want. So this is another initiative, another step to make learning more accessible and more inclusive. Let me talk about some achievements. Our YouTube channel is the first YouTube channel from West Bengal run by a blind YouTuber, which is accepted under YPP, means YouTube Partner Program. And thanks to you, thanks to everyone who are continuously supporting us. We have trained over 200 visually impaired individuals using our various channels: WhatsApp, Telegram, YouTube, social media, personal training and courses. We got international participants in 2024, as well as we are also having international subscribers from various countries. So now just introducing some courses which we are offering currently. First one is Computer Literacy Expert, where you can learn from the basics to the advanced level of computers, which includes screen reader, MS Word, Internet, PowerPoint, Excel, Google applications, Gmail and AI tools. All you need to start your computer journey. Next we have Advanced Excel. If you want to learn only Excel, then you can join this course. Then we have Web Development Fundamentals with HTML, JavaScript and CSS. Then we have one of our most popular course, which is WordPress Launchpad, which means you can build a website without having a coding knowledge. I will make different videos on each course, so don't worry about that, just stay subscribed. Then we have audio editing course with Reaper. You can learn professional audio editing and how you can work with sounds. Then those who are interested in coding, we have Python Adventure course, so you can learn Python with us. And these are some courses we have till now, but this year we are planning to launch some other courses which we will release on our official social media channel, so stay tuned. Now the most important part, the most important things, we are gonna introducing a new service, so let me introduce. Introducing WCA Coaching. This is the most flexible learning service by WhiteCane Academy, which is WCA Coaching. It's a one-on-one, which means personalized personal training program on any topic. It's an online coaching center and you can utilize it to learn any topic which is not listed on our course page. You can learn anything you want. You can book a session and we will help you to learn those topics. How it works, you need to submit a request and then we will help you to get the best trainer and then you can learn. For more details, you can check out our website. Also, we will make a dedicated video on this topic very soon. So, thank you so much for paying the attention and thank you so much for listening this presentation, watching this presentation. At WhiteCane Academy, we are always ready to help you. We are always ready to make education more accessible and inclusive. And this year we are also gonna launch our Hindi YouTube channel, though it is launched already, but we will be going to upload tutorials regularly on that channel. So if you want to learn all these topics in Hindi, so don't forget to subscribe our Hindi channel. We will provide you the link in the video description below, as well as you can find the same on our official YouTube channel also and our social media channels. If you want, you can join us on WhatsApp, Telegram. We have WhatsApp groups, so there you can directly talk to me and you can ask any questions about the technology there. So all links are given on our official YouTube channel's about page, or you can follow us on Telegram, WhatsApp. Those links are given in the video description below. If you have Instagram, X and LinkedIn, you can still follow because now we are available all possible social media. So without further delay, follow now for more updates. And before ending, again I would like to congratulate you and I would like to thank you everyone for your true support, for this great achievement. Together we are completing 8 years and let's hope for 80 years, 800 years, 8,000 years of WhiteCane. That's it for today's video. See you soon in the next interesting tutorial, which is going to be released soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and stay with us. Bye bye, everyone.